Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for clicking on my video. Today we'll be doing 2 low ponytails, slick down. You see all this hair. Just pray for your girl, okay? So today I will be working with Fashion Plus. It came with a wig cap and 3 bundles. This is the 14-inch, this is the 12-inch, and I have a 10-inch. So let's just get started. I'm starting off by parting my hair down the middle. You can use 2 mirrors if you can't see, but I'll just make sure the front is straight and the back is whatever. It don't have to be perfect for me, but if you like it perfect, just put 1 mirror behind you, have 1 mirror in front of you, and you'll have a straight part. But I have to make sure the front is a-okay. Can't be walking around with the front of your head looking crazy. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go in with my edge booster, edge fixer, whatever this is, just edge control. This is the pineapple scent, and it smells so good. I couldn't find my shiny gem, so I just went on ahead and used my edge control with my bristle brush. This is a hard brush. It's not soft because my hair is thick. I need a hard brush. And I switch in between that and my Denman, my knockoff Denman brush. And I just keep smoothing it down until I'm satisfied. And I'm going to put that into a low ponytail. Couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to, a high or a low, but, we went with low. Yep. You see me trying to figure it out? Yeah. And my hair is super thick, but I like my ponytail super tight. So you're going to see me struggle trying to get all my hair through the hair tie. It's best to use like a headband and then fold that in half. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side and try to get the sides even, the ponytails even. I use the edge booster for my edges, and I just use some spritz to spray everything down, and then I use my elastic band that I use for my wig installs. I just lay my edges down with that because it melts really, really good. And so now I'm just combing my hair out, making sure there's no tangles and knots, and getting my rubber bands. I put 2 in at a time because I don't know if y'all saw that. I used 1 and it popped. My hair is really thick, so I use 2 rubber bands at a time, and I just put it around my hair going down. You can wrap it around your hair as many times as you need to. Mine was like 2. I think I wrapped the rubber band around 2 times all the way down. It's like kind of like the band-aid method when you have a wash and go. Yeah, you just band it straight on down. And there's the other side. And I'm going to show you this side in slow motion. You can bend it around as many times as you want to. But yeah, those are mine. The only thing I didn't like about this method is that the ponytails was like real stiff. But besides that, everything was a-okay. So now I'm showing you this is the 14-inch pad. There's a little shedding, not much at all. The bundles were silky soft, really pretty. And so now I'm just going to unravel the bundle and cut that in half. I'm going to put the other half to the side for the other ponytail. And now with this half, I'm going to put that into another half, if that makes sense. Y'all can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to get my bobby pin and stick it into the end that folds. And you want to stick it into the first rubber band at the bottom of your hair. You want to stick it going downward. And then we are going to begin the wrapping process. The only thing I didn't like about this is you need bobby pins, okay? First of all, and I lose all my bobby pins, so I had to search for bobby pins. And then secondly, I'm double wefting mine, so you gotta keep the wefts together as you're going up. And sometimes they, were twisting and, doing their own thing. So keep those together as you work your way up. You don't need that many bobby pins, but after like 3 or 4 times around my ponytail, I would stick a bobby pin in going downward. So now we are going in with the 12 inch and doing the same thing I did with the 14 inch. Just unravel the bundle, cut that in half, put the other half away for the other side of my head, and then fold that half a bundle in half and put the bobby pin where it folds inward instead of the bobby pin going downward. I try to stick it up. That's not smart, you know. Stick it going downward so it can stay in and be secure. And just wrap it around like I did the 14 inch. I didn't need to use a 10 inch, so when I got to the top, I just got some hair from the back and wrapped it around the ponytail. So now both sides are done. The only con, I think I had two cons, was the ponytail was kind of stiff. It was still pretty though. And my hair. It came up as I was twirling the hair around my sides came up. So I just took some got-to-be glue and some bobby pins and, bobby pin what was sticking up, bobby pinned that down. You want to make sure your hair is really slick and real slick down. That's it. So after I put the bobby pins on, I am going to put a scarf on to make sure that it's flat to my head and not sticking up where the ponytail was coming up at. So I have a 10-inch bundle left over, and right here I'm just, using got-to-be glue for my eyebrows so they won't go anywhere. Now I'm applying my Carmex. This is not a tutorial, so I'm just going to walk you through everything that I was doing when I'm applying my makeup. So first off, I start with primer. If you want to know anything like in detail of what I use, the color, the shade, the name, or whatever, just comment below and I will respond back. This is the Fit Me foundation. And I just put it on my beauty blender. Just put a little bit. This year is my first year using foundation, and I haven't stopped since. So I'm just going to take my setting spray, spray that on. It's the 24-hour, and just blend that all into my face. The key to makeup is blending, okay? My scarf cut off my forehead. So you want to make sure when you take off your scarf, you blend that into your forehead. So now I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. You want to sharpen it to make sure it's not dull and just fill it in your eyebrows. And then I will be going under and over my eyebrows with concealer. spray my beauty blender with my setting spray and just blend it blend it in as much as possible. Like I said, the key to makeup is blending, honey. You want certain areas to be highlighted, but you want to make sure it's blended, okay? We don't need to take no pictures with flash and see a whole white undertone on your face. Now I'm going in with my highlight. I just do under my brows, on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. And you want to just make sure you blend it in also so it's not too heavy. And I'm going in with my purple because, you know, just going in with the theme of my shirt. The link to this shirt will be out shortly. Still creating a website and everything like that. Street Babies Entertainment. Make sure y'all support small business owners. The link will be in the description box shortly, okay? It's coming, all right? So I'm just going to pat that all across my eyelid, the purple on each side. Then I'm going to go in and apply my eyelashes. So these are the magnetic eyelashes where you place the black eyeliner on your eye. This is what the magnet sticks to. So this is just like black eyeliner. I have a video on this also. I'll put it in the e-card above. And you just apply it like normal liquid eyeliner. You want to make sure you dry it first, like it gets tacky like any other glue. Like fan it with your hand for about 10 to 15 seconds and then put your eyelash on. So I'm just putting my eyeliner on, finishing up this eye, and then I will go in with purple, the rest of the purple that was on my brush, and just go under my eye with it. And I'm pinching my lash, my real lash, and the eyelash together. So you see the difference in my face? Eyelashes just take you up a whole nother level, trying to tell you. Then I'm going to go back in with that highlight I used on my nose and everything like that and put it in between where my eye is. And that just gives you, you know, a brighter look. So now it's the hair reveal, period, okay? You want to make sure everything is to your liking. Everything is secure with the bobby pins and how you like it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this talk through. And please blend your forehead, okay? When you take off that scarf, make sure you blend your makeup in, okay? Period. All right, her name is Tattooed Curls. I'll see y'all on the next one, and peace.